Let's go over some of the most frequently asked questions from Chapter 1. Question: what are the four fields of anthropology and what does each study? Cultural anthropology studies human cultures in the present and recent past. It examines how cultures vary and change over time. Archaeology examines cultures of past societies through examination of the material remains and artifacts left behind. Based on this material, archaeologists can determine population size, diet, technology, status differences, and a variety of other aspects of daily life. Linguistic anthropology studies languages, including the origins of different languages and the relationships between them. They also examine how language varies and changes over time. Physical and biological anthropology studies how humans vary and evolve biologically. It includes the study of both living and past humans, as well as human ancestors and their relatives. Question: what are the steps of the scientific method? The first step of the scientific method involves making observations and defining a problem. For example, you observe that when dropped, objects fall to the ground. You conclude it's likely that some force is at work causing this. Next, a hypothesis is formulated, which provides a testable explanation for the problem. For example, your hypothesis that gravity is pulling objects to the ground. Data from observations are then collected, which enables the hypothesis to be tested. Based on the data, the hypothesis is either rejected or provisionally accepted. If it is accepted, further testing of the hypothesis continues. In the example, you test your hypothesis by dropping different types of objects at different times of the day and year and from different heights. You observe that in each situation, the item falls. Thus, you cannot reject your hypothesis. Question: what are the major areas of study of physical anthropologists? Physical anthropologists are engaged in a number of specialties within the field. Geneticists examine DNA from modern humans, hominid ancestors, non-human primates, and primate ancestors to investigate origins and their relatedness. Human biologists study living humans, examining how biology, culture, and environment interact. Paleoanthropologists study human ancestors, examining fossilized bones and teeth to assess how each species fits into our family tree. Primatologists study non-human primate biology and behavior, providing insight into our evolutionary past. Finally, forensic anthropologists comprise a specialized group that works to identify individuals from their skeletal remains. Question: what is anthropology? Anthropology is the study of humans, including humans of the past, present, and future. The biology and culture of humans have changed to varying degrees since the appearance of the first human ancestor. Anthropologists seek to examine the evolution of biology and culture through a variety of methods and through the analysis of various types of materials. Anthropologists examine contemporary and past societies through observing living human groups as well as the physical remains left behind by past groups. They investigate the origins of humans through the analysis of fossilized human remains, and they observe and study our closest living relatives, non-human primates. Anthropologists are also interested in and study the unique human traits of the spoken language. Together, anthropology is a field focused on all aspects of what it means to be human, where humans originated, and how we got to be where we are today.